One for everybody who wants to gamble their channel points. Is this muted? I guess takes. Is this one muted too? Yeah, okay, let's go check. And okay, I lost some time there, so I probably can't get to 60, but let's see. Take, that's good. Checkmate, that's good. Checkmate, that's good. Checkmate, that's good. That's mate, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. There we go. Let's go rook d7. Let's just trade take. That's good. Check and mate. Good. Gonna be tough to get to 60 if I'm being honest, just because I lost so much time at the start, but maybe I can do it. Maybe. Oh, it's bishop f7. What am I doing? I'm moving too fast. Wait a second. Okay, that's not the end of the world though. That's good. I can still get to 60, although time is the biggest enemy of me here. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's mate, that's good. Okay, it's just free rook, that's good. Should be check. That's good. Okay, I should be checking mate, that's good. Okay, I guess takes, check, takes. That's good. I assume it's just knight h5 and just take the queen. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, rook c3. Now it must be rook h7. Should be check and check. That's good. Could be queen e3 here. I don't want to burn all my clock. Could be rook g8 too. I assume it's rook g8. And must be queen a4, or is it? Wait, what is this puzzle? It could be queen b5. Okay, that was a weird puzzle. It's mate. That's good. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh, it was queen h3 and queen d7. Oh, it was so bad by me. Oh, it played. Oh, played queen f1, not queen g1. Let's